Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. Oxidation is the process by which our body utilizes oxygen to create energy. This is essential for our life and for us to thrive. However, oxidative stress can also cause damage to our DNA and cell membrane. This eventually leads to diseases and the natural process of aging. One way you can reduce your oxidative stress is by caloric restriction. Just eat your food once or maybe twice a day. Reduce the amount of the food that you consume. Restrict your calories. This has shown in scientific research to reduce the oxidation. Just like a car rusting from inside, your oxidation is producing this rust that you can reduce by calorie restriction. Thank you.